I've been exposed to a lot of kinds of music, and jazz is, in the recent 20 years or so, been my sort of passion. There's a building awareness in Lethbridge in southern Alberta of what a big deal this is. It's very exciting because there's just kind of an energy that happens downtown, and people are going from restaurants that have jazz playing in them to shows that are going on down the street to later shows that are for late night type jazz stuff, and there's just a great energy that happens downtown.
One of the main roles that I've used at the university is spreading the idea that jazz encompasses a lot. Swing, funk, salsa, R&B, straight ahead electronic, it's a little bit of everything. And so when somebody actually opens their eyes and realizes, hey, this is interesting, there's a lot more to jazz, then I find that more often than not people have an open arm to it.
And the lovely thing about jazz is that it has always been welcoming of other influences. It hasn't tried to defend itself from other influences. It has always welcomed other influences.
Popular music, folk music, country and western, I mean, you hear jazz influences all over. Festival, we had kind of a warm-up session last Sunday at Southminster Church, and it was a very inspiring, I think for everybody that was there, it was an inspiring and exciting event. Thursday night with the Lethbridge Big Band, and the Big Band's been around for 50 years and plays the Big Band classics from the swing era, the 30s, 40s. I think one of the things that's really special is our Young Lions concert. You know, where we're involving the kids from the schools and trying to grow it, you know, jazz, interest in jazz from the bottom up. Saturday was a big day. Al Jacobson, Al's from Edmonton, but well known to us in Lethbridge, a trombonist, fine trombonist, and project he's done a number of with different players, but called Slide Zone. And we had a number of groups. We had Hippodrome, which is a local funk and soul group, to some other groups like the Polygesters, who are well known in Alberta. We had a very special treat on Saturday night. The headliner was a young vocalist from Texas, Rosanna Eckert. She's a very spectacular vocalist, and she performed with the rhythm section that was local.
I'm Duran Green with Hippodrome.
Yes, I'm Erica with Hippodrome as well.
And we're here at the Jazz Festival because it's one of the biggest things that's happening in Lethbridge this time of the year. And we're a part of it because we love music. Music is here, and music is to make you tap your feet and sway your head and twist in the seat.
Absolutely. And I also think these festivals are so very important for cities and towns across the world because they bring people together, and music really does bring people together. Right. And it's for a good time.
University students who are in the music programs want the opportunity to hang out with the musicians and kind of get in kind of close to see what's going on. There is enough variety there that there is something that everybody can enjoy.
It would be a crime if you just got to know me.